Fisherman in the Fridge. To grant your final death wish. When you turn around to walk away, they'll gut you like a fish.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go in here. Yeah, Jethro told me about this place. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get me some of this. Oh yeah. I'm gonna come in here and go steal some of that stuff. They won't even know I hit them. Here I go, sneaking. Sneakity sneaks. Sneaky. These people are suckers. They even left the lights on for me. Huh? I can't see anything. Yeah, let me light a match.
Yeah, come on, here we get you down the stairs. Here we go. Get down there. Try to steal some ungravity. Come down these stairs. It's like a slip and slide. The shovel. Get out of here. Anybody else in there? Where did he go? You! You're a dead man! You're a dead little thief! A dead little thief with a crazy little thing on! You're dead! You're dead! You're dead! Yeah, get up here! Flip you over! Your arm is mine! If arm throwing was an Olympic sport, I would win! I would win! Yeah, I got it! Trash can, yeah!
Yeah, put him in the trash can, yeah!
Yeah, here I come! I will slam dunk like Kareem! Into the trash! Yeah, here comes the noggin! Noggin time! Thieves! Gonna get down and get a little cozy next to you to have a little chit chat. You're gonna go in the fridge! In the fridge! Here it comes, buddy! Yeah, we did it! We did it, buddy! Yeah!
Yeah.